unboxing the coolest album Enhypen ever released.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell.
Oh god, I'm scared. Okay, I'm about to do it. I'm doing it.
Three photo cards? A good day. This okay. Yo. Dude. Isn't he the cutest human ever? Oh my god, look at that. What the hell? It's a CD case. It's like a plastic case. Yo. Oh my god. James Lee. Oh, that's so cool. My finally. Look at me. Do you see this? I love this poster. Oh, sticker. So tapping. Hey, look at that. It's giving Five Nights at Freddy's. Look at it. Look at his jawline. What the hell? Happy. This is so cool. I like this.